Right, that is it. This VSL is rubbish. Nobody is going to watch it. Turns out I wasn't wrong. But then I discovered something that completely flipped the script, literally. What I learned from Alex Hormozi changed the way I think about VSLs forever. And today I'm going to show you how you can make yours incredible. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably spent hours crafting the perfect video sales letter. You've nailed the script, fine-tuned the visuals, poured your heart into it, only for your audience to click away faster than a toddler hearing the biscuit tin. That was me, frustrated, confused, and wondering if VSLs were even worth it. But then I stumbled across Alex Hormozi. His advice, brutal, simple, and downright genius. I applied his methods and suddenly my VSLs were not just watchable, they were converting. So here are the killer lessons that I learned from Alex Hormozi, sprinkled with just a little bit of British charm. First off, most VSLs waste their opening moments with fluff. Hormozi says, lead with pain. Why? Because your audience cares more about their problems than your pitch. And honestly, don't we all? Are you tired of spending money on ads that don't convert? Sick of VSLs that make you feel like an unpaid YouTube comedian? That's the energy you need. Relatable, punchy, straight to the damn point. Hormozi taught me to put their pain front and center, so your audience is nodding along like they've just found a £20 note in last winter's coat pocket. Instantly hooked. Next, it's all about value. Now, before you think, well, duh, Andy, hear me out. Hormozi's approach isn't just about what you offer, it's about making the value so damn painfully obvious the audience feels stupid for not buying. Imagine this. With this program, you're not just getting a course, you're getting a roadmap, templates, one-on-one support, and a digital high five every time you hit a milestone. It's not about listing things, it's about stacking them into something irresistible. Here's the real kicker though. The magic happens when you marry pain points with value. It's not just, here's what you're struggling with, but here's how I'll fix it better than anyone else. Hormozi calls this the offer to problem alignment. Sounds fancy, doesn't it? But it works. For example, struggling with ghosted leads? We'll automate your follow-ups and personalize reminders and even slap their inbox with a digital nudge. Your pipeline sorted. It's like therapy for your audience's problems, but with actual results. Now let's talk hooks, because if your hooks are rubbish, your VSL is doomed. Hormozi's approach, test everything. No guessing, no this feels right. It's about data, darling. For one VSL, I tested 5 hooks. One of them tripled engagement. The moral? You ain't a psychic. Let the numbers do the talking. Finally, the CTA. Hormozi's rule is simple. Make it confident, make it direct. None of this, oh, if you'd like to maybe consider clicking the like button. No, it's simple. Click the like button, let's get you sorted. End of. People respond to clarity and confidence, so channel your inner Hormozi and say it like you mean it. So there you have it, 5 game-changing lessons that I learned from Alex Hormozi. Lead with pain, stack the value, marry them together, test your hooks, and close with confidence. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor. Like the video, subscribe, and watch the next one.